Hello students, good morning. In today's session, we are here to learn Maths, Unit 6, Information Processing. Information Processing. What is information processing? Information processing means collection of data or information about a particular product and making a list of it is called information processing. I repeat it. Information processing means collection of information or data about a particular product and making a list of it is known as information processing. The main aim of this information processing is to enable the learners to count, compare, and assume the information. In this unit, information processing, our first topic is Sudoku. Sudoku, it is a number puzzle considered to be one of the unique games in mathematics. Sudoku, it is a type of game which creates more interest and involvement to learn mathematics in a very easy manner. This Sudoku is played on a grid. Here you can see a grid with rows and columns. The horizontal squares are called rows and the vertical squares are called columns. So, Sudoku is a number puzzle which is played on a grid. Now, let's see an example for the Sudoku. Here is an example sum for you. Fill the boxes with 1, 2 and 3. So we are asked to fill this box with 1, 2 and 3. Here a grid is given with rows and columns. In this grid, from the numbers 1, 2 and 3, few numbers are arranged and the remaining boxes are empty. Now we have to fill the missing boxes with the numbers 1, 2 and 3. So let's start with the rows. In the first row, 1 is there, 2 is there and the number 3 is missing. So let's write 3 here. And in the third row, 3 is there and 1 is there, 2 is missing. So let's write 2. Let's move to the column. In the first column, number 1 is there and 3 is there, 2 is missing. So we can write 2 here. In the second column, 3 is there, 2 is there and 1 is missing. So we can write 1 here. And in the third column, 2 is here and 1 is here, 3 is missing. So we can write 3 here. So in this way, you can easily arrange the numbers 1, 2, 3 in this grid. As we have 3 rows and 3 columns with numbers 1, 2 and 3, this grid is called 3 into 3 Sudoku. Now let's see another model of sum. Solve 3 into 3 magic square using the numbers from 1 to 9 so that the sum is 15 both horizontally and vertically. Here a grid is given. We are asked to fill the grid with the numbers 1 to 9. The numbers 1 to 9 should not repeat in between the rows and columns. If we count all the rows and all the columns, we should get a sum of 15. So, we have to fill this grid with 1 to 9. I'll tell you a small easy trick. At first, we can separate the odd numbers and even numbers from the numbers 1 to 9. So the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's place the odd number first. The odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We can place this odd number 1 in the center row, that is here 1. If 1 is here, we can write the remaining odd numbers in this direction. 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9. As I said, we have placed the odd numbers in this direction. Now we can place the even numbers. The last two odd numbers are 7 and 9. So in between 7 and 9, we can place the even number 2. If 2 is here, the next even number 4 will come in this side, and the opposite of 4 will be 6. So that we can get the number 4, 5 and 6 in a straight line. And the last even number is 8. Now we have arranged the numbers 1 to 9 without repeating it in between. Now you can check by counting the rows and columns whether you are getting the sum of 15. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Now we can add the columns. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So you can arrange this box 1 to 9 by separating the numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. Students, hope you are clear with today's session. Have a good day. Thank you.